Xiaomi and the Tello. I'm gonna go ahead and see if these two guys can pass obstacles. All right. Facing you guys, using my phone. All right. No controller, no Bluetooth controller, just using a phone, facing you guys, passing through all these obstacles here. So we're gonna go ahead and see if this guy right here can go without no problem. Right now there is no wind. Hopefully this guy don't suffer. Right now it's like, I could say, zero wind. So we're gonna go ahead and see how this guy go. And also with Tello, I'm not using the extender. Okay, I'm not using extender. I'm just using what this guy has. This is what we're gonna get. All right, so here you go. I didn't see this guy follows me, land in my hand. Okay, pass obstacle, come back. I want to see how precision this guy is. So you guys can see. All right. And I'm ready to go. See how it is. Whoops, lost connection already. I'm gonna go ahead a little bit low. With this Mitu, I have to, like, because the props is like it bends so fast, and I have to like bend it back farther, because it's not the same as the Tello prop guards. And you can see here, this we can do. Lost connection. This is lost connection. So now I gotta go ahead and look. I'm gonna go ahead and look for it now. See that one? The Wi-Fi is dead. Okay, he's right there. That's a good thing. He did not pass away yet. Wow, interesting. And then you guys can see. All right. See, Tello can go all the way this far. Let me see if we can pass through obstacles. Let me see if I can pass that. Nope, the Wi-Fi is skipping already. Just one obstacle. Okay. Why is it going that direction? It's spinning. That was delayed. It just hit a tree. Let me see how it'll take off. It did take off. Wow, so that's a good thing. I don't have to go there when it crashed. I think the reason why they built this, so if you crash, you can actually, you don't have to walk all the way back out there, because you already know that you can
battery low, please be careful.
Okay, be careful. Okay. It's spinning. Why is that? Hopefully this guy do an update. Well, I don't know what Xiaomi company trying to do. I mean, he got a good camera to it. He has enough wide camera. Let me do one more. Spinning. Why is spinning? I'm not even touching the throttle. It thinks like over spinning. Oh wow, almost hit that tree. Alright.
Extremely low battery. Commencing automatic landing now.
Dead. Battery. Wow. So I gotta go up there and pick it up. I want it landing in my hand. Did hit obstacles with it because this thing got so much weight to it, guys. You see that? The prop guards, it's worthless. It came off. Yeah, you can, you know, and look at it. So now if I put it back, so if I go ahead and put it back now, look, I can't even spin my propellers anymore because it's hitting the props. The reason why I'm saying that, because when you see here with the Tello, it has that reinforcement thing on there. This one doesn't. So when it hits, it just bends. See this guy right here? It don't even bend. So just letting you guys know that. So yeah. And guess what? It did not land in my hand because apparently I don't have enough. It doesn't have enough juice to come back to me. Oh man. I mean, the video quality is nice. And look at this side right here. It's also coming off. Wow. So I don't even know why they made this prop. This is worse than a Bebop, Pirate Bebop Mambo. I'm sorry, Pirate Mambo. I'm sorry, guys. This is worse than Pirate Mambo props. And also, this I'll probably, you know, the if you guys see my Wingsland X1. It's probably gonna be, I'm gonna compare this with this one now because that's how bad it is. So anyway, at least a Mambo probably do a better obstacle with this guy. It's heavy, so you don't have enough braking. So when you're trying to see the object and you can see it out there, I just hit something. So yeah, so anyway, and it's gonna be stay tuned because it's this guy's turn. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share.